Welcome to Mr. Wasserman's Intro to Adobe Design class, room C226. This course introduces students to Adobe software and design concepts. It's the pathway to taking more courses like Adobe Photoshop, Dreamweaver, and Adobe video editing programs, animation programs. Students can become certified in these courses. The class is project-oriented. Resources. Please sign in for Remind when I send out an invite. Key sign up. You will play games and take quizzes here. Please send me messages through Canvas or email when you have concerns about courses like grades or when you need help. In getting to know me, as I said, my name is Mr. Wasserman. I was born as a small baby, in Greensboro, North Carolina, and raised in High Point, North Carolina. I've been working at CMS for 22 years, and I have a double major in marketing and computers and a master's degree in media and national board certified teacher. The most important thing in my life is my relationship with Jesus, and then my family, which is over on the right-hand side. Beautiful family, especially the guy second to the right. Anyway, besides teaching school, I've also taught swimming for 22 years at Charlotte Aquatics. Thanks so much, and have a blessed evening.